In this video, I'll walk you through how to cancel a direct debit from your Commonwealth Bank account in a clear and secure way, based on how Commbank currently handles direct debit controls inside its app and NetBank. Start by logging into the Commbank app or NetBank using your usual verification, then from the home screen select the account that the direct debit is linked to. Scroll until you find options like Manage Payments, Scheduled Payments, or Direct Debits, as wording can vary slightly depending on your account type. Look for the merchant name or direct debit entry you want to stop and tap it to open the details. If Commbank allows in-app cancellation, you'll see an option such as Cancel or Stop Payment, which you'll need to confirm using a netcode SMS or your app PIN. In some cases, the app may tell you to contact the merchant instead, meaning the bank can't cancel it directly. It's important to understand that stopping a direct debit through Commbank only prevents the bank from processing future payments and does not cancel your agreement with the company, so you should also contact the merchant to avoid fees or service issues. Subscribe for simple, accurate banking guides that help you stay in control.